Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome again, guys. So we already talked 180 MCQs in almost 5 videos lecture that is related to the chapter number 2, bacteria and gram stain. Now this is actually our 6th video lecture that is related to the MCQs of bacteria and gram stain, and we will start from the 181 MCQs. Okay, if you missed the previous videos lecture, so you can go back, or there will be a link in the description. You can check out it in the description. Now let's talk the MCQs number 181. So MCQs 181 says that the toxic product in phagolysosomes are H2SO4 singlet. So all of these, it is the correct option. 182 MCQ says that during destruction of antigen particles in phagolysosome, the product formed in the phagolysosome, the product formed during formulation is lactic acid. B is the correct option. MCQs 183. So 183 MCQ says that the coating of bacterium which antibody or component that leads to enhanced phagocytosis of the bacterium by phagocytes is called opsonization. A is the correct option. Attenuation means what? Attenuation means inactivation of the bacteria. B is the correct option. Infectious that result in pus formation. We mostly call that pyogenic infection. C is the correct option. 186 MCQ says that the presence of viable bacteria in the blood stream, we mostly call that bacteremia. C is the correct option. Presence of virus in the bloodstream is known as serum component. Is known as viremia. Okay, so presence of virus is known as viremia. A is the correct option. MCQs 188 says that opsonian is what? It is actually serum component. 189 MCQ says that beta hemolytic bacteria are what? So beta hemolytic bacteria are mostly Streptococcus pyogenes. 190 MCQ says that the natural reservoir of the infectious for cholera is, so for infection of cholera is man. C is the correct option. MCQs 191 says that main cause of the cholera is, so A is the correct option, poultry, and incineration. Okay. MCQs 192 says that Vibrio cholera different from Vibrio ultra by the causes less subclinical infection as compared to alter. So D is the correct option. 193 MCQ says that the cholera vaccine given protection for 3 to 6 months, it can give the protection. B is the correct option. Prophylaxis of cholera is what? So it is mostly protected water supply, environmental sanitation, immunization with kill vaccine. All of these. D is the correct option. 195 MCQ says that Shigella dysentery is known as, so it is known as Shigella Shiga SH. So both A and B. C is the correct option. MCQs 196 says that acid fast bacteria are, so acid fast bacteria are Mycobacterium is the actually acid fast bacteria. Their cell wall is mostly contain the mycolic acid, so that's why it is the acid fast bacteria. Mycobacteria are stained with, so it is stained with the Zil-Nielsen. D is the correct option. Niacin test is positive in case of water. So in case of Mycobacterium tuberculosis, it is positive. Lepromine test is actually indicated delayed hypersensitivity test. MCQs 200 says that Streptococcus form cause which type of infectious? So it mostly cause there is no option, so I think none of these is the correct option. D is the correct option. 201 MCQ says that Streptococcus pyogene classification is based on, so it based on protein M. is the correct option. Alpha hemolytic Streptococcus are also known as, so we mostly call that viridines group. C is the correct option. Streptolysine O is inactivated by, so it is mostly inactivated by oxygen. C is the correct option. Streptolysin S is what? So it is actually oxygen stable. C is the correct option. Influenza virus is identified by using, so it is identified by using Haemophilus inhibition test. A is the correct option. Growth influenza virus is identified by, so it is mostly identified by HeLa cell. B is the correct option. 207 MCQ says that a glumatic acid is oxidized by the species except canine. So D is the correct option. B, canines. 208 MCQ says that the protozoan phenomena is encountered. So the protozoan phenomena is mostly encountered by Brucella. B is the correct option. The following, this is capsulated organism, but only one is the non-capsulated organism, and the correct option is Escherichia. Okay, Escherichia. Anthrax is what? So anthrax is actually the zoonotic infection. B. So this is all about the other 30 MCQs. I hope this videos help you. Thank you so much for watching.